welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Allison, and in today's video I'll be speed cleaning my bedroom. As you can see, it's a mess. I have to speed clean my bedroom at least once a week. I need to get better at cleaning my room every day, pick up here and there, but yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started.
Place together, mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Wake up at mine. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
Side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Together you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned?